UMLA Kamau Sunram constituency ba HM Shangpriang menta kanau paisi ka apun ritrek unaitung aja apuar ulashim bentalang ban shong madanlang hakajaka bla apelno ya kajeki jong kinong tre we not pra ki badan hakalama jong ka Meghalaya EMRI Workers Union ki blas dang kajeki da ka bashong kelan mungor bathia miet ka ba khandai si khandai miet hakmat ko office tekam jong kane ka company uba Shangpriang la dawat ting e na ka sarkar bakade ban sngau ya kajing dawa jikini kinong tre we not pra ulapen kan ma ba ki por arsnem lada omdan kini ki baket iki brio ki bayo ko bet kat khandai manuban ba khli andre ka sarkar kam shamla khen snap ya ka jing tre shitam ula pedram jori ka sarkar namar la yasno ki jing ki jangite ba man ka por ki la sha thok ha ka sarkar
kat bat kini ki parlok ki jongka 108 ki baidon hapo ka strike menta ki la don ka jing strike ke bala la khandai sngi la don khandai sngi menta kini ki parlok ki batre po ka 108 emergency services kila shong kumne krui hakani ke jaka ngaro awan ban shong lang bat ki bangan snap ya ka jing e ka ba kini ki parlok ki shem shisha haba ngasngap ya ka jing e jong kini ngaso pangnot ba ngan ye thu ifi ba kini ki parlok ki batre hapo ka 108 kidon ki pilot kidon ki paramedics kidon ki batre hapo ka emergency response center kumta terter kidon la ka jong ka jing e bat la ka jong ka jing ot joki hot hangi ki pat ba ni sosuk habang i phone 108 sipang la poi ka ambulance ban kit ki bahiang bahasem ban let ban ra hospital rengim tip ba pleng kini ki ju ki parlok ki bawan ban yarap yangi ban kit ban ba ya ki bahiang bahasem hakapor ka emergency ki yarap ya phi ne yanga da ka jing sul diaw ka masem joki ka jing diaw balai ba ka sarkar kam sngap ya ki jing dawa joki menta kam dei ka sin ka benengkong ba kini ki perlok ki strike kumni ngilayo i man usnem man ka ngribenai kini ki julej bandawan ka sarkar ya ka hok joki ka sarkar ka sngap man ka sarkar ka le kelut ka syuai ki assurances ba kaong ngindang eksamen ngindang pay andre hadu menta ka ni klip matro ka sarkar tang sikhulam ro kampat proj dak hangno banle ya kano no ka kam banirap ikini ki parlok jungi ngaso diaw bat ngaso don ka jingdom hapo mesim namal ba ka sarkar kala use yakini kinong tre jungi bat kala overuse yaki beyond the timings paki ki de hok ban tre parlok be phi la ban yo sngo na ka sentur jongkini ginong tre bahaka emergency response center kabade bandon ngriumot kinong tre hakoi ka shift idon tang iway iban tre ban receive ban pick up ya ka calls yung phi haba phipan ya ka jingerap haba phi dial 108 idon tang iway iban yo ban receive ki call jong phi bat lada itne iba up ya ka call jong phi idang engage hakwe ka line kamut ka to ka way ka call ka ba phi call le se kinum la ban pick up namar ba idang bun ktien shaway ban pha jingerap shaway kamut ha ka to ka emergency ba le lada don kam ya ka 108 phinum la ban yo ka sarkar kala de ban bu ngriungut per shift ha ka ne ka duty baki khot ka emergency response center kumang itip mangi mata don tang iwe ibatre ini ita ibatre idon kam ban late bam idon kam break imla ba insyong arpusaw kuntahan to ban receive ki calls kay kadaw baka sarkar kasngap kay kadaw baka sarkar kali kelut kali matla iki berkhoy kini ite kilale ban pensngo bang idon kam brio idon kam manpower hakan ka emergency response center. Why is the government quiet? Why is the government silent? Is the department officials deaf or are they blind? How can only one person man the emergency response center, whereas there should have been 6 personnel manning phone calls from all over the state? ka 108 emergency service center ka day for the whole state. Haba phone 108 kala bandai na Bakmara, kala bandai na Phulbari, kala bandai na Kliriat, kala bandai nangno any corner of the state ka wan shwa hakane ka emergency response center. How can one person attend calls from all over the state? I want the department officials to answer this to me. Whereas there should have been 6 people who are manning this center per shift. There is only 1 person manning this center. Immediate action has to be taken and immediate replacement has to be done and recruitment has to be done by placing, as per the norms, shift-wise 6 personnel round the clock in this emergency response center. This is what I demand from the government and from the health department, that action should be taken immediately on this. Why is GVK EMRI services getting poorer day by day? I have a strong doubt. There is a lot of cost cutting here.
Yes.
The management of the GVK EMRI is cutting cost by not employing personnel as per norms. Now, as per ambulance, there should have been 6 people to do the shift. Per shift, 6 people should be running the ambulance. We have just 2 people running the ambulance now. Who is cutting the cost here? Can I ask the health department to inquire into this matter? I would like the health department to go deeper into all these malpractices done by the GVK EMRI and thereby causing all our friends here to suffer, to perform duties. Katno idap dakajing sokmen but ngidey bang ay ka buram syakini ginong tre jong ka 108 bah ars nem kapor covid mano balik ban kit ban ba yakimet yap mano balik ban kit ban wanra yakinong pang bayo covid naki sinong baper ban wanra si hospital amday gini kini ki parlok kila res yakajing im jongki bakin syakri yangi ki pai ba menta andala suk ke pertai ngin lek klet no ikini balai ke sarkar kamatla ya ke jing tre sitom jong kini ars nem kini ngiyo i de tangki 108 sisa ki bakit bapa ya ubah pangru to ya bayap ru kini tanda lamenta pade him ngap ya ke jing dawa jong ki PI khatsan hajar lump sum salary ki. These personnels are paid 15,000 per month lump sum, irrespective or whatever services they perform. A pilot gets 15,000, a paramedic gets 15,000, a personnel who has been here for the last 10 years in the service gets 15,000, a personnel who has just joined 1 month back gets 15,000. I don't see any logic here. I do not see any logic. I do not understand what are the parameters that the GVK EMRI is introducing, what are the parameters that the government is introducing, that there is no uniformity in the payment of salary. Nor do they get any increments, nor do they get any TA nor DA. And what is happening? Why is the government not listening to these people? They are also our brothers and sisters. They are our children. They need to be taken care of. I urge upon the government that as much as you had the chief minister, the health minister, everybody had shown accolades and praised other services who have performed their duties during COVID, these 108 personnel also, they deserve that same kind of accolades, same kind of appreciation for all the sacrifices that they have done during these 2 years of COVID. These people are the ones who carried the dead bodies. These are the ones who carried the sick, the COVID patients from the respective villages to the hospitals. And how can we ignore them now? How can we not listen to their pains, their agonies? I urge upon the Chief Minister, I urge upon the Health Minister to kindly look into this matter, to kindly ponder on the agonies, on the pains of all these friends who are on strike here. There are a lot of malpractices that is happening in the functioning of the GVK Emery. This has to be reviewed and this has to be corrected. All the posts that are vacant, the emergency response center needs to be looked into, because there's only one manpower that is running the whole state receiving calls. This is not fair. Di namar kata nga kentu ya ke sarkar ba kan immediately ban penbet ya kan ikakam kenang ba kini ki padlok jungi kinlej laka jong ka duty upat ba menta u shitom u jenjar namar ba haba u phone 108 omdan ambulance banlej bankit ban ba iki baro ki brieu jungi ki badon sanong kendong kimla ban yo ya ka services joko 108 ki hap siu pisa shibon banlej ban siu ki ambulance ki ba yai private te mentara lada kini ki ambulance na ka 108 ki syongsa kum ni mano banlej rap ya ki pai ba jungi ki bahasor lan ki bahanong kendong. Thank you.